What?
You've been shot. What's up, T&V fam? Welcome back to T&V Nation. It's your girl, Tawana.
And your boy, Vaughn. And we are back on the set, back on the scene with another video. This is actually a challenge, y'all. And I'm not sitting here by myself.
I'm doing it, y'all. I'm doing the challenge today.
So we're a little late on this, but this is the XXX Hot Sauce Challenge by Nene Eats Life. This was in celebration of her hitting 1,000 subs. Let me look and see how many she got now. Because she may be way beyond them 1,000 by now. She's at 1.3K. So congratulations on hitting 1,000 and getting 300 more. Nene Eats Life. Now how does this challenge go, y'all? This challenge involves 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You got to have 5 seafood boil items that are protein. So I got 5 shrimp. And Queen got 5 shrimp too.
Mm-hmm.
And then you go 4, 3, 2, 1 of any other seafood boil items. So I got 4 king crab legs.
I have 4 snow crab legs.
I have 3
cucumber?
Strips of cucumber strips.
Yeah. I got 3 cucumber. They're like spears.
I got 2 little things of corn.
I got 2 pieces of turkey sausage.
And I got 1. This is pork and bacon.
Ooh.
Sausage.
She bad.
I saw that and I just had to get it. So
and I got
1 of them.
1 piece of corn.
And we got to dip everything in this XXX hot sauce, y'all. This is Nene Eats' latest butter sauce. And I already dipped my finger in there, and I'm going to tell you, it's XXX for real.
Oh, Lord. And it's a time challenge. So y'all know I ain't good with time challenges. So I'm going to do my best.
She going to do her best, y'all. Bless her little heart.
Not bless her heart.
So I'm going to put 15 minutes. I might not be able to eat all this in 15 minutes.
That's a lot.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let me put this down here. So 15 minutes on the clock, y'all.
You press start?
No.
Oh.
And the time starts now. What am I going to start with?
You got to start with, don't you have to eat them in order? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1?
No.
I thought you did.
I don't know.
Maybe not.
This sauce is good, y'all.
Okay, let's see. It's hot temperature. Sauce is hot.
Mm-hmm. Y'all get on my nerves every day.
It's for a video challenge.
Why he ain't in the video?
It's some left.
Is it spicy? It's some left?
Shrimp. Only shrimp.
I want shrimp. What sauce is that?
We on a live. I mean, not live. It's Nene X. No. XXX.
No. Mama.
Nene Eats Life XXX sauce. XXX hot sauce.
I know I told you dip it in something.
It ain't seasoned?
No, because we put it in the Instant Pot and it wasn't all the way cooked, so we had to put it in the water, which took some of the season out. And we have to dip it, so.
Is the sauce good?
This is a time challenge.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Thanks for
Sorry,
reminding me.
T&V Nation.
Because you know who about to fail it.
Come on.
The main one talking.
Thanks for reminding me that it's.
What you want?
Yeah. Hot. Why are you staring? It's just weird.
You gonna dip the shrimp in something?
I told him dip it in.
Mm.
Hot?
Mm-hmm.
I'm charging my phone up real quick. probably went the wrong way.
Spicy.
You heard yourself?
You ate a crab leg yet?
I'm about to.
This sauce is good, y'all. It's really spicy. It's good.
Get you some Tony Sachets and shake it on your plate.
And dip it.
And then, yeah.
Yeah, I forgot this was time, and Kenzie was talking to me.
It's good though.
It is good.
Nene, this sauce is hot, y'all.
I'm not even look at the time, because y'all,
Well,
is it gone? What's wrong?
Why y'all make us eat stuff like this fast?
It's too good to eat fast. I'm trying, y'all. This sauce good, girl. I like it. I like it. It's nice and spicy. I like it.
You eating yours in order?
No, I'm just picking stuff up. You? I feel like though, you want to get these crabs out of the way because it's like it's the hardest part.
Ain't nothing in that one. Don't y'all hate it when you get a crab leg and it's empty?
It's cheating.
It is. What happened? When they were cooking it, the meat came out in the boil or in the steam? Because the animal wasn't walking around with no muscle in its leg.
Yeah, what happened to it? I feel like I might do it. I do. I feel like it's possible for me to do it. Thank you.
It's spicy, y'all.
It's nice and spicy. You like a spicy sauce? You'll like that. So we had one of her other sauces. Which one was that? Just the regular butter sauce? That was good too. But I like the spicy one.
Nene brought the heat.
What you drop?
Sauce.
Am I done with any one thing?
You're not, huh?
I'm about to be done with. I think I'm gonna be done with the shrimp soon. We didn't do y'all know we didn't have time because it's time challenge, y'all. Who what?
If you want something, reach up there and grab it because we ain't got time to hand it to you.
We ain't got time. What were you gonna say?
Who made that challenge that you had to eat? Just Bambi though. You had to eat like, what, 2 pounds of crab?
Y'all just know
It was a whole bunch of stuff.
I had 5 crab legs. I'm only supposed to eat 4. So don't be saying you got crab leg left. I'm supposed to have one though. Cucumber is so good with a seafood boil because it's cooling on your mouth. If you got something hot, it cools your mouth down.
I think I might have 5 too.
You had 5. You already ate one, didn't you? So you don't have to eat all of them.
I'm gonna eat them.
He say he gonna eat them. Better say that one extra one for last in case you have time left over.
This sauce hot, y'all.
It's hot. Almost done with the shrimp.
You go, girl.
She doing good. She doing good. This turkey sausage is good. I like it. I don't remember the brand I got, but it's better than I get Jenny O Butterball. Y'all know how that, well, y'all may not know how that tastes, but it don't really taste like sausage, but this brand tastes like more like sausage. I like it.
Jenny O Butterball? Jenny O Butterball?
That's a brand. Okay.
Is it Jenny O?
I'm doing good.
Isn't Jenny O a brand and Butterball is a brand?
That's what I said. Jenny O and Butterball.
Oh.
That is true.
I just said Jenny O Butterball.
You know I know my turkey sausage brand. That's all I eat. Y'all, I feel like I'm gonna do it. I don't know the time.
I love all these onions in here.
I'm probably not. I'm probably so about to run out. I'm not gonna do it.
Me either. We got 5 minutes and 5 minutes and 40 seconds left.
Hey,
No way.
I'm claiming it. I'm gonna do it.
What you playing? Oh, you gonna do it?
Then I'm gonna do it. Y'all think I'm gonna do it?
Comment down below if you think she gonna do it.
Put Team T down below if you think I'm gonna do it. Team T, is you gonna do it? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna eat all of something. That's for sure. I'm gonna eat this shrimp.
That's the least you gonna do, huh?
All of something is gonna be gone.
15 minutes? That's crazy.
Did anybody do it successfully?
Ray Love's cousin did it.
Oh
Ray
yeah.
Love didn't do it.
Kennedy slowed us down, y'all. We lost a good minute, probably. A minute count.
Knuckle meat.
You eating knuckle meat? You ain't got time to eat no knuckle meat.
Gotta eat that part of the leg.
Oh, it is? We gotta eat that?
What you mean? You ain't been eating that? Y'all comment down below if y'all like burps.
Who likes burps?
Some mukbangers do it, and ASMR folks do it for some reason.
Y'all better not like burps. Burps are gross.
They
to
got
me.
whole videos with just somebody burping. Somebody's watching that.
I don't know why.
I guess.
We supposed to be eating and not talking.
It's it.
I am eating. I guess because burps are satisfying when you get one out.
Yeah, but to hear
So to watch someone else keep getting that satisfied release over and over again, I guess. I don't know. But y'all comment down below if y'all like that.
That's gross to me.
And why.
She getting full, y'all.
I'm done with my corn, done with my shrimp.
I'm done with my shrimp.
Done with my cucumbers.
I'm about to be done with my cucumbers.
About to be done with this sausage.
Haven't touched my corn.
It's the crab, y'all. Mm. 2.5 minutes ago.
Y'all. It's nice and spicy.
Happy Wednesday, y'all.
Woo.
You big old leg. I ain't got time to show it to you for too long.
No.
Get your look and back up. Get your peep on. And then back up.
I should have done easier stuff.
Like what?
Like 3 pieces of broccoli or 2 instead of 2
Head
pieces
sweating
chicken.
now. Y'all know something spicy when my head starts sweating.
Yeah, your head be sweating.
We got a minute left. A minute to win it.
How you gonna lose the challenge, babe?
You still claiming it?
Yep. I'm still claiming it.
You know what, y'all? I don't even mind failing this one.
You don't?
Because this is good.
Pepper in my nose.
Pepper hot.
Pepper and hot.
So did y'all do anything special for Halloween? Tell us what you did.
Okay, y'all, remember, this is an extra leg. After I eat this, I will have eaten all my shrimp and all my crab. It depends on the time.
Probably got less than 15 seconds now.
I'm not. Oh. Y'all. Couldn't do it in the 15 minutes, but I think I did good, though. I ate all my shrimp. Almost all the crab legs. Except for 1. Almost all the cucumber. 2. And then I ain't touched my corn.
So really, I just had 2 crab legs left, y'all. I know you see 3. 2 and a claw. But I had an extra one, too.
Oh, well, y'all. We straight failed it. Hubby, too. And he hardly ever failed.
This was a lot, though. And yeah,
It was
the
a lot.
stuff we chose.
We chose big things.
And she told me with that king crab, she's like, that's extra time.
I did.
Trying to get it open.
I said, you sure you want to do 4 king crab legs? That's time.
I should have done 2.
Mm-hmm.
And more cucumber.
I even couldn't eat all the cucumbers because I found that to be filling because it's water based. So I was like, ooh, this is really filling me up. A water soluble vegetable?
Y'all hear Kennedy loud ass in the background.
Y'all, Kennedy, loud, but came in here, interrupted our video. We're going to have to get a do not disturb sign for her. She would ignore it. By the way.
We still rolling, y'all.
Oh, I forgot.
Y'all still with us?
I forgot we still rolling.
Why?
Because the
It's
challenge,
after we failed it.
the challenge on. I mean, challenge over. Now it's just a mukbang.
They're like, nah, yeah, I'm failed. Bye. I'm gonna get one for dessert.
Those of you who are still here, put hashtag mukbang time.
Why? You know, put that.
Nobody's still here.
Y'all wrong.
Oh, Lord. They came to see we complete the challenge, and they have seen that. We have not. Tell the truth, y'all.
They came see we complete the challenge.
I said they came to see.
No, you didn't.
You never hear me
You
talk.
did not say that.
You be, for some reason,
What
you
she
never
said,
hear
Kim?
all of my words.
What's she saying?
What you say?
They came see we complete the challenge.
I said they came to see if we
No,
could complete the
you
challenge.
didn't clearly enunciate the if or. I'm gonna look this when I'm editing.
Y'all know he be wrong. Just like last time, he said I said vegan. Both of them, Kaden and Bond. And he played it back, and I clearly said a vegan.
King crab so good, y'all. But why it's so expensive right now?
Yeah. Oh, I wanted those big ones. Those big ones was like $70 a pound,
That was insane, y'all.
and that's for 1
We
pound.
went in there to get shrimp and this snow crab. We already had this.
Save me one.
It's a lot left.
We already had this in the freezer, the king crab. But yeah, they had some colossal king crab legs. $70 a pound. I wish I would.
I'm gonna eat this one piece and call it a day.
You ain't eat that sausage?
Like, no, you want it? I already
Anyway,
had
man.
one. Kaden, this sausage good. You want it? It's really good though.
You know what?
I'll just eat it on.
Oh!
What?
I cut myself.
What you do that for?
You know them snow crab. Look at them sharp edges. Kaden cut himself one time too on that sharp edge on the snow crab.
They cutting themselves on snow crab, y'all.
They
You
got
want to
sharp
talk about
edges.
sharp edges?
They have sharp edges too. Not as many and not as sharp, but it still has sharp edges. I'm full. Now I'm about to drink a sip of this Stella Rose Honey Peach.
Honey peach. I got you.
Dang, yeah, you got crab all on me.
Where I got you?
On my arm.
Not on the titty.
Hey, you nasty. You can't say that on YouTube.
They say much worse on YouTube. Don't they? Alright, y'all. Well, I guess we'll.
Dang, look at all that knuckle meat.
Guess we'll get on out of here. Let y'all get on out of here, rather. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.
Bye.